Hello everyone, how are you all? I hope you're doing fun at your home and you're watching all my videos. And do you remember what we did in the last class? We did the concept of tall and short. Have you compared your height with your papa? Many of you did. Very good. So welcome back to Learn Forward from Hi Kids Feather Caps. Today's class, I will tell you about the concept of full and empty. Full and empty. So, what is full? Look at this basket. This is full of veggies, right? This basket is full of vegetables. There are so many vegetables in this basket, okay? Now, if I put out the veggies of this basket, now this basket is empty. Now this basket is empty. So, when there is nothing in the basket, it is empty. And when I will put all the veggies in the basket, it is full now. Okay. That is the concept of full and empty. Let me show you one more example. Can you see this glass of water? It's orange juice. And this glass is empty. It has no juice in it. So this glass is full and this glass is empty. Full, empty, full, empty. Okay? Alright. Now we will study about full and empty. Okay, so look here. Again, there are two baskets. One basket is full of pears and this basket is empty. Okay, it has no fruit in this basket. So, this basket says, I am full, and this basket says, I am empty. This is full of fruits and this is empty. It has no fruits in it. Full, empty, full, empty. Okay. So, now we will do this activity. We will tick the full and cross the empty ones. Let's start the activity. There are two glasses. Again, in one glass there is orange juice and one glass is empty. Can you tell me which glass has the orange juice? Of course, this one. So we will put a tick mark like this, and this glass is empty. It has no juice in it. So we will put a cross. Okay. Now see the next set. There are two bottles. In one bottle there is lemon juice and in another bottle there is no lemon juice. You know, lemon juice is made up of lemons and lemons are in yellow in color. So, in one bottle it is full of lemon juice. So, we will put a tick mark like this, and one bottle is empty. There is no lemon juice in it. So, we will put a cross like this. Okay. So, that was the concept of full and empty. Full and empty. Now, I want everyone to practice this at home. I will see you in the next class. Till then, happy learning. Bye bye. Take care.